right, guys, crossover. So this is Kylie Jenner's favorite trick, and today you're gonna learn it. Nah, I'm just playing. Well, it might be, but yeah, crossover is a super cool trick. It's very basic, but it's like a must-learn trick, so we might as well get right into it. I'll show you guys how to do it. And also, fun fact, this trick looks really cool in pictures. Even really pro freestylers that you guys follow on Instagram, like, I'm not gonna name any names, I'm not gonna expose them, but everyone just does crossover for pictures, because like you take a low-down picture, you do the crossover, you jump really high, and it looks like really cool in pictures, so that's another bonus to learning it. So yeah, let's get right into it, crossover. Hey, here we go. About to hit him with the crossover. All right, so for this trick, you want to kick it up, then you're going to go over the ball with your weak foot, don't touch it, and you're going to pop it back up with your strong foot. Bam. So you're just going to kick it up, for example, with your right, go over with your left, and then you pop it back up with the right. So obviously the slow-mo is going to help out a lot here. You guys are going to really see it nice and carefully. Kick it up with the right, over with the left, and then you pop it back up with the right. So you can experiment. Some people find it easier to do it with the strong foot. Some people find it easier with the weak foot. You could just play around with it. But yeah, the basic concept is pretty easy. Kick it up, jump over, and pop it back up. Everything will be done with the same foot. Basically, one foot's gonna go over the ball and never touch it. There you go, man. One last look at the slow-mo. Bam. There you go, that's the crossover.